Hello. Hi. Myself is Kantraj HD, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Government First Grade College for Women, Kerala. In this session, we are going to discuss on a basic definition and example of a vector space. What is vector space? In last or previous semester, we studied about some algebraic structures, groups, rings, fields, integral domains, and so on. Like those, vector space is also a algebraic structure. So, algebraic structure na ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. It should satisfy some conditions. Conditions we call them as a axioms. So, what are those axioms? Let's see them. So, f comma plus comma dot is a field because every vector space is defined over some field. ಒಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಐದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. Then usually we define or denote a vector space by capital letter V. Within bracket F denotes the over the field F. A non-empty set V of F is said to be vector space with respect to two binary operations. One is vector addition and second one is scalar multiplication. So as a field ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟೂ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎರಡು ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್ ದಿ 5 conditions. First one is V of F is an abelian group with respect to vector addition. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Second one is scalar multiplication is distributes over vector addition. That is, for any scalar C belongs to F and two vectors alpha and B belongs to V, then alpha plus beta into C, which is equals to C into alpha plus C into beta. So this is a scalar multiplication distribute over vector addition. And third one is vector multiplication distributes over scalar addition. That is, C comma D belongs to F and alpha belongs to V, then C plus D times of alpha is equals to C into alpha plus D into alpha. Next, fourth property is scalar multiplication is associative. That is, C into D into alpha is equals to C into D alpha. And last one is with respect to unit element of F, 1 into alpha is always a alpha for all alpha belongs to V. This is what the definition of vector space. Once again I repeat, let F comma plus comma dot is a field, then vector space over a field F with respect to two binary operation vector addition and scalar multiplication is said to be a vector space if it satisfies the following condition. Under that, first one is V of f is an abelian group with respect to vector addition. Second one, scalar multiplication distributes over vector addition. Third one, a vector multiplication is distributes over scalar addition, and scalar multiplication is associative. And last one is the with respect to unit element of f, 1 into alpha is always a alpha for every alpha in V. Here the elements of f, we call them as a scalars. ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೇಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಆಕ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದಿ some example for this one. I take one of the vector space V2 of R that is equals to set of all x comma y order pair such that x and y are in R. So this is a set of order pairs where the elements of order pair chosen from a field R. I took that as a V2 of R. So triplet ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ V3 of R ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. n tuples ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ Vn of R ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This set is also denoted as R square. ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ R cube, n tuple ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ Rn ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ? ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Let check whether it satisfy all the condition for vector space. ಇದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು? V2 of R is an abelian group. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there must be a 5 oximes under abelian group. First one is closure property, second one is associative property, third one is existence of identity, fourth one is existence of inverse element, and last one is commutative property. So closure property verify madlikke we need two elements from a given set. ಆ two elements ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ತಗೋತೇನೆ? x1 y1 is the first vector alpha and second vector beta is x2 y2. So vector addition, that is alpha plus beta. Alpha is nothing but x1 comma y1 plus beta is nothing but x2 comma y2. So order pair or triplet or n tuples ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು a coordinate wise add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So I add first coordinate with first coordinate, that is x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. So again it is a order pair because x1 is an element of R, x2 is also an element of R, their sum is also a elements of R. Similarly y1 plus y2 is an element of R ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ again it is an element of order pair of R2, that is nothing but this is an element of V2 of R. V2 of R ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So next what we need to check, associative property. ಸೊ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು? 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ, ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, x1 comma y1, and beta as x2 comma y2, and gamma as x3 comma y3. So I consider alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is equals to alpha is x1 comma y1 plus beta is x2 comma y2 plus x3 comma y3. So first we have to solve the bracket, that is x1 comma y1. I write as it is. I had these two terms, so that is x2 comma y2 plus x3 comma y3. Add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get x2 plus x3 comma y2 plus y3. So next add these two terms, we get x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. So I denote this as equation 1. Next, alpha plus beta plus gamma is x1 comma y1 plus x2 comma y2 plus x3 comma y3, which is equals to, first add terms or vectors within the bracket. Bracket ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತ first ಎರಡು vectors ಗಳನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಿ, that is x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2 order pair ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, plus x3 comma y3 outside ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. Now add these two order pair, I get x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. Observe the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ನ observe ಮಾಡಿ, x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. In equation 2 also we have same. Since capital R is a field, it associative law holds in it. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ associative law hold ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3. So ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore we can write alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is equals to alpha plus beta plus gamma. Hence vector addition is associative. Vector addition is associative. So next, existence of identity. 0 belongs to R. R field ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 0 element ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore 0 belongs to R, which implies 0 comma 0 is an element of V2 of R. V2 of R ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 comma 0 exist ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, because 0 is an element of R ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. Then I take one of the element alpha belongs to V2 of R, which is not 0. Alpha non-zero. Then alpha I took order pair as x1 comma y1. ಆ non-zero element ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, x1 comma y1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Then consider alpha plus 0. So where 0 is a 0 vector, 0 vector na ಇಲ್ಲಿ vector case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 0 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ is nothing but 0 comma 0. So alpha ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, x1 comma y1 plus 0 vector andre eno 0 comma 0 which is equals to by the vector addition it is x1 plus 0 comma y1 plus 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ which is equals to x1 comma y1 which is equals to alpha itself. Again 0 plus alpha ತಗೋತೀನಿ 0 plus alpha ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 comma 0 plus x1 comma y1 which is equals to 0 plus x1 comma 0 plus y1 that is also a x1 comma y1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ which is nothing but alpha. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ alpha plus 0 is equals to alpha. Alpha is equals to 0 plus alpha which implies that 0 vector is nothing but 0 comma 0 is an identity element with respect to vector addition. So next what we need to check existence of inverse element. Existence of inverse element. So what we have alpha belongs to v2 of r. Alpha andreno x1 comma y1. ಈ x1 ಮತ್ತೆ y1 ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ they are all elements of real numbers. Real number ಏನು it is a field. Field ಅಲ್ಲಿ every non-zero elements has its inverse element. ಎಲ್ಲ non-zero elements inverse elements ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Since R is a field we have minus x1 comma y1. Minus x1 comma minus y1 belongs to R. Minus x1 ಮತ್ತೆ minus y1 ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ R ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ which implies that minus x1 comma minus y1 belongs to v2 of R. Minus x1 minus y1 belongs to R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ minus 1 ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ minus 1 into x1 comma y1 belongs to v2 of R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ which is an element of v2 of R. Next ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ minus 1 into alpha belongs to v2 of R. ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ minus 1 into alpha is minus alpha ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲ್ಲ. Consider alpha plus of minus alpha which is equals to x1 comma y1 plus minus x1 comma minus y1 which is equals to x1 minus x1 comma y1 minus y1 that is nothing but 0 comma 0 that is nothing but 0 vector which implies that minus alpha is inverse of alpha belongs to v2 of R. Alpha ಗೆ minus alpha ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ commutative property that is alpha is equals to x1 comma y1 and beta is equals to x2 comma y2 belongs to v2 of R. v2 of R ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೀಟಾ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಈಸ್ x1 comma y1 plus beta is nothing but x2 comma y2 which is equals to x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. Since these are the elements of R, x1 plus x2 R ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ R is a field. Since R is a field, it is a commutative. Hence, we can write this as x2 plus x1, comma similarly second coordinate kuda y2 plus y1, that is nothing but x2 comma y2 plus x1 comma y1, which is equals to beta plus alpha, which implies that commutativity holds. Commutative property ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ hold ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore V2 of R is a abelian group with respect to vector addition. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು 4 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಎರಡನೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಆ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ನ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಆಲ್ಫಾ x1 comma y1 and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರು x2 comma y2 belongs to v2 of R. I consider c into alpha plus beta. So c is a scalar. C into alpha is nothing but x1 comma y1 plus beta is nothing but x2 comma y2, that is equals to c into x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. Since it is the order pair, now multiply with scalar quantity c. C in the multiply ಮಾಡಿ we get c into x1 plus x2 comma c into y1 plus y2. So since c is a scalar, we can again multiply with x and x2, that is c x1 plus c x2 comma c y1 plus c y2, which is equals to. So now I separate the coordinate wise, that is c x1 comma c y1 plus c x2 comma c y2. Since c is a scalar taken outside, c into x1 comma y1 plus again c is a scalar taken out, c into x2 comma y2, which is equals to c into x1 comma y1 is nothing but alpha plus c into x2 comma y2 is nothing but beta, which implies that scalar multiplication is distributes over vector addition. Let's see next property. Vector multiplication is distributes among scalar addition, that is let c and d belongs to f. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ನ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿ. ಒಂದೇ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಲ್ಫಾ x1 comma y1 belongs to v2 of R. Then I consider c plus d into alpha, which is equals to c plus d into alpha is nothing but order pair x1 comma y1, which is equals to, by scalar multiplication coordinate wise scalar na multiply ಮಾಡಿ c plus d into x1 comma c plus d into y1, which is equals to So since this is the element of R ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ now multiply each scalar with x1, that is c into x1 plus d into x1, comma c into y1 plus d into y1 we get. Now separate the terms with respect to common scalar. So common scalar ಯಾವ್ದಾದಿದೆ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ separate ಮಾಡಿ what we get c into x1 comma c into y1 one order pair plus d into x1 comma d into y1 another order pair we get, which is equals to first order pair ಅಲ್ಲಿ c ಇದೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ c into x1 comma y1 plus second order pair ಅಲ್ಲಿ d common, that is d into x1 comma y1, which is equals to c into alpha plus. So a scalar addition is distributes over the vector multiplication. So third property is also completed. Next, scalar multiplication is associative. For this one also we need two scalars, that is c and d belongs to f. So and alpha is equals to x1 comma y1 belongs to v2 of r. I consider c into d into alpha, which is equals to c into d. Alpha is nothing but x1 comma y1, which is equals to, by the scalar multiplication we have cd into x1 comma cd into y1, which is equals to, c is common in both, I take an outside, c into d x1 comma d y1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, which is equals to c into d ನ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ d of x1 comma y1, which is equals to c into d alpha, which is equals to c into d alpha. Therefore scalar multiplication is associative. And last property is 1 into alpha is equals to alpha again. So that is, I need unit element of a field, that is 1 belongs to f. f is nothing but ಇಲ್ಲಿ real number ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ real number ನೇ ಹಾಕಿ. So 1 belongs to r, which implies that 1 is a unit element. And I take one vector x1 comma y1 in v2 of r, then 1 into alpha is equals to 1 into x1 comma y1, which is equals to 1 into x1 comma 1 into y1. 1 into x1 is x1, 1 into y1 is y1, which implies that is nothing but alpha. Hence v2 of r satisfies all the enzymes of vector space. Hence v2 of r is a vector space. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು v2 of r ಇಂದ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ v2 of r ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So similarly Rn, that is nothing but x1 comma x2 comma similarly Similarly, Rn is nothing but x1, comma, x2, comma, x3, comma, and so on, xn, a set of n tuples where all xi belongs to R. This is also a vector space. Similarly, R3 is nothing but order triplets. Order triplets where all xi belongs to R. This one is also a vector space. But Q is a non-empty set over the field real number which is not a vector space. ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನಾನು ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕ್ಯೂನ ನಾನೇನಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ಇದು ನಾನ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ contains only a rational numbers, but real numbers contains both rational and irrational number. For example, 2 by 3 into any scalar root 5 or root 10, any you take which is not an element of Q ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, which is not an element of Q. Therefore, Q is not a vector space over the field R. Similarly, R is not a vector space over the field C. C is complex plane. But C of R is a vector space. So, idu not a vector space. Q of R is not a vector space. R of C is not a vector space. But C of R is a vector space. C of R is a vector space ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, M cross N matrices over the field R is a vector space. That is, M cross N over the field R is also a vector space. Next, a set S defined by A plus root 5 into B such that A comma B belongs to Q is also a vector space. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, vector space ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Thank you for watching.